Hello everyone and welcome to episode 3 of my Python beginners course. In this video I will teach you about variables in Python. Let's get started. So what is a variable? A variable is a way that you can store a piece of data that can change. So in a game it might be a score, and variables are one of the most used things in programming really. So let's explain how you use a variable in Python. So you type the name of your variable, let's just type anything, then you put space equals space. You don't have to put the spaces, but most people do for simplicity. And then you put whatever you want. I'll explain more this later, but basically that's how you make a variable, and it's as simple as that. But a few notes on the names of the variable. Firstly, the name has to be either lowercase letters, uppercase letters, numbers, or underscore, like this, and no other characters are allowed. There can't be a space in the variable, so I can't have hello space world, but I could have hello underscore world. Then if you have multiple words, we normally do hello underscore world. The variables are also case sensitive. So A is different to capital A. Those would be two different variables. And also if you have any problems, just use trial and error. If you get a problem, just try something different and see if that works for you. Now for the variable value. So the value of a variable can be a data type, and we're going to discuss this more in the next video. But for now, just do either put the text in quotation marks or type a number like 3 or whatever, and in the next video, you'll understand more. So how do you output a variable? Well, we've got a variable here which is a equals 3, and if we press enter, it will take us to a new line. If we type print, then open brackets, then the name of the variable, so in this case a, and then we close the bracket and press enter, we'll get 3, which is the value of the variable. There's two other things we can do. If we type b equals, then in quotation marks, Python, and press enter, we can now type print, open bracket, I love, close the brackets, then put plus, and then put b, which is the name of the variable. And if we close the brackets now, press enter, it types I love Python, because I love plus b, which the value of b is Python. Also, we could do c equals 3 and d equals 4. And if we did print c plus d, press enter, we get 7, because 3 plus 4 is 7, and you can use other arithmetic operators to do the same thing. So now I have to explain the difference between global and local variables. All of the variables I have shown so far have been global variables. Local variables are variables that are created inside a function, and they can only be used inside that same function. Later in the series, there will be a video about functions, and I will explain more about global and local variables in that video. For now, continue with only using global variables until you know what you're doing. So that's the end of episode 3. In episode 4, we will learn about the main data types that you can use in Python. Thank you for watching and have a great day.